Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. In summer, you can see jackfruit trees loaded with the huge fruits. Even in the days of large families, it was not possible to consume all the fruits. So, to avoid wasting them, our elders wisely used to make ponsavarti, a preserve of jackfruit, to be used later when they are not in season. Delicious patalis and paisu used to be made even 6 months after the season, all because of this preserve. This does need some patience and close attention while making it. But the delicious results are well worth it. So, next time you have a large jackfruit, don't be stumped as to what to do with it. Just make this varti and later enjoy it for days to come. Here I've got a good variety of ripe jackfruit. As shown in previous videos, remove the core and then remove the bulbs. Remove the seeds and the rags surrounding it. Now the bulbs are ready to be used. To use the jackfruit seeds, refer to our blog kkaj.in for a variety of recipes. Here is half a kg of ripe jackfruit bulbs. Use good quality bulbs of the firm variety. Avoid the tiluvo or soft variety. Jaggery 100 grams or more as per the sweetness of the jackfruit. Ghee 2 to 3 tablespoons and loads of patience. Grind the bulbs in a mixer to a paste. Do not add water. Add the paste in a thick bottom urvali or kadai or non-stick pan. Keep stirring for a while on a medium flame. When the paste starts getting sticky, add a tablespoon of ghee. Continue stirring until the water content has reduced considerably, and then add the powdered jaggery. The color of the varti depends on your jaggery. Darker jaggery shades will give dark to almost black color to the varti. When the paste has turned a dark brown and has thickened considerably, add ghee little by little and keep stirring until the paste has become dry and comes together as a lump. Varati should be completely dry to last long. If water content remains, it will spoil. You can know this is ready when you see the ghee oozing out and the paste is all in one single lump. Let it cool on its own. Then transfer to an airtight sun-dried container. So do try out. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.